Alright guys, today I wanted to show some of my revolvers. Some of these you've seen in video before, but most of them you haven't. First thing I'd like to say is every gun on the table is clear except for the North American Arms 22 Magnum. If you watched my videos, you've seen this, I'm sure. I'd just like to recommend it to you guys. It's really a great gun. Easy to put in your pocket and conceal, and in my opinion, it would be devastating on the other end of this barrel. Here I have cleared, nothing in there. This is the Ruger LCR. This is double action only. And I'll shoot this in a video one time to show you how it recalls. Really has light recoil with 38 special plus Ps, 38 specials, and very accurate. It weighs barely anything. It's so light. I really love this gun. I loved it so much I bought 2 LCPs, which I'll show in another video. This gun, again, you can see is clear. This is Ruger SP 101 357 Magnum. Another beauty. As the video goes on, you'll see I have a preference for Rugers. For the money, dependability, it's hard to beat them. Okay. The lanyard I put on there. One of the reasons I put that on there is so when I'm firing it, I don't rest my hand on this. First time I shot it, I did. Let me tell you, this thing kicks and that will cut your hand. I don't really know if I like that on there. Someday I might try and take it off, but for now, it's on there. This is a Smith&Wesson 629 Trail Boss. 44 Magnum, 44 Special too, of course. Another nice gun. I bought it used, but it looks like brand new. I don't fire it that much because price of rounds. There's the sights. Again, short barrel, but very accurate. This is Ruger Old Action Army black powder. I bought the 45 long Colt cylinder for it and had it fitted by a gunsmith. This way I can go ahead and shoot smokeless powder out of it. Because one thing I don't like about black powder is a pain in the neck to clean. But I picked this one up used. And to be honest with you, I have not fired it yet.
The focus is going to be on your show. It kicks off this Friday night, 9 o'clock Eastern, right? Exactly right. All right. Thank you very much, Tucker, for joining us live. Meanwhile, from Tucker to Reba McIntyre, she's been in the music business for more than 33 years, and she's not stopping anytime soon.
Okay. Whoops. Okay, here's a Ruger single 6. This shoots 22 Magnum, and 22 long rifle with the extra cylinder it comes with.
Tides are killing some swimmers this summer. The important reminders you need to know at the beach. And healthcare reform.
I've had this for a long time. I bought it new.
How do you find more doctors?
Very accurate gun.
That's all that's coming up. 10 minutes away. We'll see you then on Monday morning.
And cheap to shoot if you use the 22 long rifle cylinder. The 22 Magnums are more than 9 millimeters right now. I just paid $13 or $14 a box for 50. So, needless to say, I don't shoot them all the time. This model 686 Smith&Wesson 357 Magnum. Another gun I bought used. This gun is super accurate. I took this out and shot it, and I couldn't believe how accurate this thing is. That's the Ruger New Model Black Hawk. This comes with an extra cylinder. Right now it's got the 357 38 special cylinder in it. But I have another cylinder that fits in it that came with it. I bought this brand new and it shoots 9 millimeter. To me this would be a great gun to put in your backpack or something if you're going camping or something and you have something in your bag to protect you, and you got all those rounds you can fire. Any kind you want. 9 millimeter, 38 special, or 357. Yeah. It's another 44 Magnum. Ruger again. It's a super red hawk. Unloaded. I bought these grips from Hogue. Don't know if I really like them. They look alright, but they're kind of big. This one I purchased brand new. And I probably make a video shooting this one day. There's another Ruger New Model 357 unloaded. This doesn't have the extra cylinder, it's just 357 38 special. Single action. This I purchased used, sold it, repurchased. Here's another snub nose. That's the Smith&Wesson Model 36. It's a lot heavier than the Ruger LCR, but it's a good sturdy gun. And they'll fire single action or double action. That's it for today. Thanks.